It's Jordan with MasterBlend here. I want to talk about 4 of our odor control products, starting with Urine Lock. Urine Lock is the best smelling deodorizer on the market. It's got a super great light apple fragrance, really nice to work with, and it provides immediate odor relief. It is a bioenzyme deodorizer, so it does attack the odor molecules using the bioactive enzymes. It's a 4-to-1 economical mix ratio, can be applied with a pump-up sprayer or an inline sprayer. It's an excellent enzyme deodorizer that helps with things like pet urine odors and other organic type of odors that can be digested using those bioenzymes. Next, we have Skunk Odor Control. Skunk Odor is our leading enzyme deodorizer. It is about twice as powerful as Urine Lock, and it's for your severe cat urine issues, dead body, skunk odor, the worst of the worst. The active enzymes in this product begin working immediately. Generally, a 20 to 30 minute dwell time is going to be all you need, and a thorough flushing and extraction of either carpet, upholstery, or rugs, depending on what you're cleaning. Both of these 2 products here are wool safe approved, so they can be used on wool carpets, wool upholstery, wool rugs. There's going to be some more videos that you'll find on our page showing how these 2 products work great in tandem for solving odor issues in oriental rugs. But you'll want to check those out for sure. Next, we have a specialty deodorizer called Air Wash. Air Wash is specifically designed to remove cigarette smoke odors, cannabis smoke odors, and burnt surface odors. You can actually use this at a certain dilution and clean surfaces, deodorize surfaces like hard, non-porous surfaces, not just carpets, upholstery, and rugs. It's a super versatile product. It can be wet fogged in an airspace if there's been a smoker in a home. It's an excellent tool to offer smoke odor removal in your business. If you haven't checked out Air Wash, it is in use in our rug cleaning plant and on our carpet trucks as well in home. It's a super great product that you're gonna definitely wanna check out. Lastly, we have our At-Last. At-Last is a stabilized liquid chlorine dioxide. We also have our anti-allergen deodorizer, which is our unscented stabilized liquid chlorine dioxide. And if you're familiar with the benefits of the chlorine dioxide, you already know the molecular modifying capability that chlorine dioxide has using oxidation. It's super effective at getting down into padding, backing of the carpet, neutralizing those pet urine odors in the home. Light citrus fragrance on the At-Last is pretty enjoyable to work with. And on the anti-allergen deodorizer as well, no fragrance at all. Check out our other video on the Responsible Care line, our anti-allergen line, to find out how all those anti-allergen products can work in tandem. But guys, that's 4 of our odor control products. As always, you can find our full line at masterblend.net. Contact your local distributor or comment below with any questions that you have. As always, we're here to help you grow your business. We want to help you guys be your best, and anything we can do to help, let us know. We're here to serve you guys. Thanks for checking out this video.